Getting chatty. English Informal Greetings. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll be diving into the exciting world of informal English greetings. These greetings are usually used with friends, family, and people we know well. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common informal greetings and when to use them. In the English language, we have a vast array of informal greetings. Let's take a look at some of the most common ones. 1. Hey. This is a very casual way to say hello. You can use it with friends and people your age. 2. Hi there. This is a friendly and enthusiastic greeting, suitable for people you're familiar with. 3. What's up? Or, sup. These greetings are more of a question. They mean, what's new? Or, what's happening? These are quite casual and should be used in friendly contexts. 4. Yo. This is very informal and can be used to attract someone's attention, like a close friend. 5. Howdy. This is a friendly and informal greeting, especially popular in the southern United States. Now that you know some of the most common informal greetings, let's talk about how to use them. First, remember that context is key. Use these greetings with friends, peers, and people you're comfortable with. Secondly, respond naturally. If someone greets you with a, "What's up?" you can respond with, "Not much," "You," or, "Just chilling," "You." And lastly, informal greetings are often accompanied by informal body language. A smile, a nod, or a friendly wave can be perfect companions to these greetings. Just like any other language skills, practice is key when it comes to greetings. Try using these greetings in your everyday life, or even better, practice with a language partner. That's it for today, learners. Now you've got a handful of informal English greetings at your disposal. Remember, these greetings are a fun and friendly way to start a conversation. So, don't be afraid to give them a try. Keep practicing and you'll soon sound like a native speaker. Until next time, happy learning!